Today's scalping strategy is powerful and beginner-friendly, designed to help you make money. We'll cover a reversal trading strategy that works for forex, gold, crypto, stocks, and more. Stick around until the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Next, let's add our first indicator. Click on the Indicator tab at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type BTMM-TDI and select the BTMM-TDI indicator from the Trading Jedi. Once you've added it, we need to make a few adjustments. Go to the Input tab and change the RSI color to white. Then, go to the Style tab and remove all marks except for the RSI trendline, upper level, and lower level. This indicator will help us see if the price is too high or too low. If the signal line is in the oversold area, your main focus is to find the best point to place a buy order. If the TDI signal line is in the overbought area, look for the best point to place a sell order. Now let's add our second indicator. Click on the Indicator tab again and type Vamanu Swing Free into the search bar. Select Vamanu Swing Free from Jazzle. Once added, we need to adjust this indicator too. Click on the Settings tab. In the Input tab, change the swing multiplier value to 4.5. Then, go to the Style tab and uncheck the boxes for Filter High Band, Low Band, Bar Color, High Band Fill, and Low Band Fill. This indicator will be used as a guide to place orders in the market. If the Vamanu Swing Free indicator gives a buy signal, that's a sign to place a buy order. If it gives a sell signal, that's a sign to place a sell order. For a buy order, check if the TDI signal line is in the oversold area. Wait for a buy signal from the Vamanu Swing Free indicator. Make sure the candlestick is bullish, going up. Place a buy order after the bullish candlestick closes. Set the stop loss at the last swing low and take profit with a 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. For a sell order, check if the TDI signal line is in the overbought area. Wait for a sell signal from the Vamanu Swing Free indicator. Make sure the candlestick is bearish, going down. Place a sell order after the bearish candlestick closes. Set the stop loss at the last swing high and take profit with a 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.